Okay, so chapter number 2, piecemeal distribution. This is page number 2.4 of your textbook. Okay, Nirali publication, page number 2.4.
Okay.
Now, as we have seen that chart, that the external parties has to be paid in the piecemeal distribution, then the internal parties, and then the capital. So today we are going to do only a small example where we'll have to see there are how many methods. There are basically 2-3 methods by which we can pay to the partners. Okay, जो partners capital repayment आहे, it can be done with different methods. So first very basic method is whatever money you have, distribute that money to the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Okay. Yeah. So the first step that we will learn is how to distribute a whatever money comes, how to distribute that to the partners. So the foremost first option is like we share the profit and losses, whatever the profit comes under the partnership, right? We distribute in which ratio? Profit sharing ratio. So if you remember in 12th standard, there were two possibilities, like either a profit sharing ratio or somewhere it was getting distributed in a capital ratio, right? The balances in the ratio of the capital balances. So there are two options. The first option is in the ratio of their profit sharing ratio. Okay. So now what they have given capital account balances. So A has to be paid 20,000, B has to be paid 30,000, and C has to be paid 50,000. But out of that, the total liability is how much? 1 lakh rupees. But whenever they sold out the assets and they could only make out the payment of rupees 60,000. Okay, how much they could fetch? Sorry, 70,000 they could fetch from selling the assets. So assets realized are only 70,000. Then how to distribute this 70,000?
60 na?
60, 40, 60, yes. So how to give this 60,000 rupees to the partners ABC? We are going to apply the profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. But then how to present it? The presentation is very important. When we are going to solve a big problem, we may have to use 2 connecting pages. Okay, जे काही आपलं बुक असेल त्याचे 2 कनेक्टिंग पेजेस, म्हणजे हे आणि हे असं 2 पेजेस आपण पुढे मोठ्या प्रॉब्लेम्सना यूज करणार आहे. आता प्रॉब्लेम्स छोटे आहेत तर तेवढे कॉलम्स आपल्याला लागणार नाही. द मोर लायबिलिटीज यू हॅव, द मोर कॉलम्स विल हॅव टू मेक. ठीक आहे. So draft and problem first. Now I already drafted this problem, so I would ask you to make a columns. Give the title statement showing distribution of cash. One single page, you can do this right now. Going forward, we'll need 2 connecting pages. After a single page is more than enough. Okay? So into that you will have to give a heading, statement showing distribution of cash.
Okay.
If the cash is distributed in a profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. In a profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. Make the columns, particulars. This has to be little bigger. You can also use the margin in your book. Installment. Now all of these columns where we have to write the amounts, so they can be of the same size. Okay, so there are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Going forward, this installment column is going to be very small. Installment 1, 2, 3, 4 like that.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Done. Okay. So in a particular column, first we are going to write down what is the balance which is due. Okay, or it can be a balance of the cash that we have. It can be anything. So balance means whatever the balance sheet they will be giving us. Based on that, we are just putting the numbers. So first one is balance due. So A has to be paid. Come back to the problem and see.
Okay. 20,000.
Yes, A has to be paid 20,000. So write down below the A 20,000. B has to be paid 30,000 and C has to be paid 50,000.
Okay.
Then put this all together and put the total.
Okay.
Now we started selling the assets. Okay, so the first realization, that means first lot of assets that you sold out, will be called as a first realization. So there are actually whatever number of assets they have. पहिल्यांदा त्यांनी काही assets विकले, that we call it as a first realization. So पहिल्यांदा जेव्हा त्यांनी त्यांचे काही assets विकले, set of assets विकले, how much they could get? 24,000.
1,000.
ठीक आहे. So सगळ्यात आधी आपल्याकडे कॅश येणार आहे 24,000. So on the next line, write down realization. This is the first realization, and into that we are getting 24,000 rupees. So this realization, first installment 24,000 we are going to get. Now we are not going to say that only A will be getting 20,000 immediately because we have a lower balance than 24,000. No, this is not the case. This 24,000, all the partners are at par. सगळे partners ना equal rights. Okay, it's not
Okay.
की ह्याला जास्त profit sharing ratio आहे म्हणून ह्याला आधी पैसे द्यायचे आणि त्याला नंतर द्यायचे. Nothing like that. All the partners have equal right to get this amount. So this 24,000 will be splitted between all the three partners in their
Okay.
profit sharing ratio. Because
Okay.
title what we have given, it has to be distributed in a profit sharing ratio. Okay?
Ratio.
So split this 24,000 in the ratio of 3:2:1.
Okay.
So how to do that? See here.
So one.
Correct. So to A 24, so keep one line blank. Okay, त्याच्या खाली you can show the working. A is equal to total 24,000 has to be splitted. But total
Okay.
portion किती आहे? 3. Total portion that has to be the portion has to be made is 3 plus 2 plus 1.
Okay. So
Right. So 24,000 has to be first divided into 6 equal parts. And
okay.
out of these 6 parts, the third part, 3 parts has to be given to A. Like if you have a big piece of pizza, it has to be first equally divided into six equal parts. And A is going to get the 3 pieces, B is going to get the 2 pieces, and C is going to get the 1 piece.
Okay. Now I got it that.
Yeah. Okay. So 24,000. That's how much it comes.
12,000.
12,000. Okay. So put it here less. Now here. Okay. On the next line, keep this line blank. On the next line, write down less. Distributed to ABC in the profit sharing ratio. Write down distributed to ABC in the profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2:1. Then write down in front of A less 12,000. Okay. For B, it will be
8,000. 8,000.
and then 4,000. Okay. Put the sign minus because they are getting this much amount, right? Out of the capital of 30, he is getting 8,000. So we have to reduce their capital account balances and 4,000.
Okay.
So A is paid 12, B is paid 8, and out of 50,000, C is being paid 4,000. So total obviously has to be here 24,000. So again, in
4,000.
total column, write down minus 24. Then put a line wherever you have done this working, put a line. Again, we have to find out the balance now. So our cash balance became 0. We had 24,000. We completely paid off 24. So cash became 0. Then
But आपण टोटलच्या कॉलम मध्ये 24,000 नाही केले.
इथे लिहिणार ना आपण. Cash
Okay,
is worth 24 and total also paid 24. Okay. So now what is the balance? 1 lakh minus 24 is the capital account balance that we have. 76 it to be paid. And what is the split up of this 76? Again 20,000 minus 12,000. Now do it respectively for each of the partners. So 20 minus 12, 8,000, 22,000 and 46,000.
okay.
See, even though C was having the highest capital that needs to be paid, but since his profit sharing ratio was 1, he got only 4,000 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
Then now first money, whatever we received from first realization is over. Now go to the next realization. So next lot we sold out 36,000 worth of assets. So come balance after writing out the balance. Come to the next line. Realization 2. Again, how much cash we got? Put it into the cash column.
36.
Right? Below that, write down less distributed to ABC in their profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2:1.
Okay.
Again,
18,
distribute
12,
ABC. Yeah.
18, 12 and 6.
18, 12 and 6. Okay. So less 18,000. Put it here. Less 18,000. Less 12,000. Less 6,000. Then find out the total. Minus 36,000. This total has to be matched every time. Check every time, like this total has to be exactly, has to match with this total. Okay. Then less 36. So whatever cash we had is became 0 now. So again find out the balance. Now whatever assets we could sold out, we could only fetch the 2 installments of total of worth rupees 60,000. Okay. So now what is going to happen? This is the amount. It will show the amount which is unpaid or paid in excess. So let's not call this as a balance because this is final realization. Okay. So what happened? Total ACO 20,000 has to be paid. Out of that we paid 12 and we paid 18. So we paid him excess. Actually यहाँ पे उसको 8,000 ही देना जरूरी था. But because of this profit sharing ratio, he got 18,000. That means he got excess 10,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Correct. So that's what his balance is coming negative. Here he should have been paid only 8,000, but because of that profit sharing ratio he had, he got 18,000. So he got excess payment of 10,000. Okay, so below that you have to write excess payment, negative 10,000, and write down below that excess payment. Then he should have been paid 30. Out of that we paid 8 and then we paid 12. So total 20 we paid. So balance need to be paid is 10,000, but we don't have the money. 22 देना था but 12 ही दे पाया ultimately, right? उसके बाद पैसे सारे खत्म हो गए. So 10,000 is the short payment. So write down below that short payment. He did not receive 10,000. And C did not receive 40,000.
40.
Positive number shows short payment. Negative number shows excess payment. Okay. So this look little bit weird, right? कि you know, even though like इसको 50,000 देना था, फिर भी उसको सबसे कम payment मिला, जबकि उसने सबसे ज्यादा capital डाला था. Only because of the profit sharing ratio. And that's what this method is not very accurate. And this method is not followed. Doing it on the profit sharing ratio basis is not being followed. Okay. So final will not call it as an balance. We will call it as an either final settlement, or it is also called as balance. Or let's call it as a, wait a minute, I'm not able to find that sign. Okay. So the 3 dots wala sign असता ना, that you can give here, 3 dots wala sign. So
therefore.
Therefore the sign, right? Okay. And then you can write amount unpaid. Okay. Write down amount unpaid. So basically, these two partners are bearing the loss of not getting some amount, and this partner is getting something in excess. Okay. So total 40,000 balance is still to be paid, right? Because दोघांना मिळून द्यायचे होते 10 and 40, 50, and out of that he's been paid 10. So net balance to be paid was 40. So in short, this partner is gaining and these two partners are losing in this case. It is also called as a realization loss or realization profit, whatever may be the situation. So he is into the profit and he is into the losses. So since this method is not accurate because we did it on a profit sharing ratio basis. So second method is applied, and where we pay it in the ratio of their capital account balances. You know, it makes a sense. Like if C have the highest capital, then he should be paid the maximum amount because सबसे ज्यादा पैसे किसने लगाए बिजनेस में? C ने लगा. प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो कुछ भी रहने दो, बट जब पैसे देने की बात आएगी तो C को सबसे ज्यादा मिलने चाहिए क्योंकि इसने सबसे ज्यादा कैपिटल लगाया.
Okay.
So the second method that can be followed for the capital distribution is the capital sharing ratio method. So again, you can use the second half of the page. If there is a space, give the title. Statement showing distribution of cash. If the cash is distributed in capital sharing ratio. Now we'll have to first find out that capital sharing ratio. Okay, it is not
Okay.
given. How to find out that? Let's see. See, everything remains same. Only the amounts are going to change now because of the capital sharing ratio. Okay. Yes. So next, first draft it half an page. Same line, same number of lines you may need.
Okay.
Next working note. Let's make this working note first. Okay. So give the title working note. Once you draft this, give a title working note. How to find out a capital sharing ratio.
Okay.
Yes. So A has to be paid 20 out of 1 lakh. So that is 2 by 10. B is 3 by 10. And C is 5 by 10. Don't more simplified because we want a denominator as same. Okay. And remember always, any ratio, any proportion you take, the total has to come 1. Okay. How it will
Okay.
come 1? There's a denominator 10 है. And if you sum it up all of the above
Okay.
numbers, like 2 plus 3 plus 5, it will also come 10.
Yeah.
10 by 10.
And the denominator remains same. Okay.
Correct. So 10 by 10, the answer is 1. So you take
Yeah.
any ratio or proportion. How to check if it is correct or not? The total has to come 1.
Okay.
Okay. So the ratio comes 2 is to 3 is to 5. Now only look into the numerator. Proportion लिहिताना, ratio लिहिताना फक्त numerator लिहायचा.
Okay.
No? That is 2 is to 3 is to 5. So come on the top, write down if cash is distributed in a capital sharing ratio, which is 2 is to 3 is to 5.
Yeah.
Then first step, particulars, then installments, cash, total, A, B, and C.
See. Yeah.
This is the heading. Now into that, write down balances due. First is 20, 30, and 50. Take the total in a total column. 1 lakh. Always do total at the end. So you don't, make the mistake.
Okay.
So first realization we got how much? 24,000. Now this 24,000 has to be divided into this ratio. 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay.
Okay.
So write down less. Distributed to ABC in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. While doing, A is equal to 24,000. Its proportion is 2 out of 10. Multiplied by 2 by 10. This means if 24,000 is divided into 10 equal parts, the one part is 2,400. And if he has to be given the 2 parts, then he will be getting 4,800. So less 4,800. 24,000 divided by, we know that one part is 2,400. He has to be given 3 parts. That is 7,200. Here
12,000.
multiplied by 5, it is 12,000.
12,000.
See, now here we see the drastic change, right? In the earlier
Yeah.
case, out of like 24,000, he was getting only 4,000 because it was
Yeah.
profit sharing ratio and he was getting the lowest profit sharing ratio. But here, on the basis of capital sharing ratio, he's getting the maximum amount more than these 2 partners because he have a more capital. Okay.
Yeah.
So find out the balance. Total is minus 24,000. Balance is going to reduce. The cash is also reducing entirely 24,000. So balance due is 0. 76,000. 15,200, 22,800, and 38,000.
Yeah.
Then again, first money is over. Find out the second realization, 36,000. This has to be divided into the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. This has to be given in the proportion of 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay. divide this 36,000. Put it here. 36,000 is divided into 10 equal parts. Out of that, he has to be given 2 parts. 7,200. He has to be given 3 parts. 10,800. He has to be given 5 parts. 18,000. Let's total 36,000. Yeah, this is correct. Let's realization. This has to be put on the next line. Keep this line blank. This realization line has to be blank.
Okay.
It will only come in the cash column. Okay. So out of 36, 36 cash gone. Total balance 36 has gone, and this is what the profit in the capital profit ratio. So finally, what we see here, 40,000. यहाँ पे भी 40,000 ही बचा था, right? But यहाँ पे किसी को ज़्यादा मिल रहा था, किसी को कम मिल रहा था. But यहाँ पे वैसे नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे it will be equally distributed between all the partners in their profit sharing ratio, in their capital ratio. Like out of 38,000, he's been paid 18,000. So how much he's been paid short? 20,000. Okay. Like that, he's been paid short 12,000 and he's been paid short 8,000.
8,000.
Loss is getting divided between all the partners. ऐसा नहीं किसी को ज़्यादा मिल रहा है और किसी को कुछ भी loss नहीं आ रहा है. हर एक को loss मिल रहा है based on their capital sharing ratio. So amount left to be unpaid is 8, 12 and 20. That's it. Okay, so it is easy capital sharing ratio, but there is some advanced method also to this, which we will learn when we do the entire one complete sum. Okay. So tomorrow we'll be doing one bigger question. Yeah, where we'll see how to pay the creditors, third party, etc. all, and then we'll do the cash distribution for the capital accounts.
Okay.
So these two methods are the simplest one. इससे एक advanced method है जो कि actually आपको BCom के exam में आती है, right?
अच्छा.
Okay. So yeah, I think there is no question that you can do based on this method because these are the two simplest methods, and we don't ask the question on this method. So from tomorrow, whatever sum we do, you will be able to solve the questions.
Okay.
Okay. So then, yeah. Bye-bye.